I'm a project engineer for the hydraulic division, and what that entails is primarily work with projects from the concept design all the way through the detailed design. Manufacturing is a pretty solid field. There's always going to be opportunity, there's always going to be something that needs to be built, and then it's always nice to see, my own designs being built and know that they're going to last for 50 plus years. French Oil has about a 100-year history, and the fact that it's been family owned throughout that history, they're very well established, and I'm excited about the growth. I'm always excited to learn new things. I've got a lot of great people around me that I'm learning new things from, as well as coming up with new ways of making things as well.
I am a polymer sales engineer here at French, and we work with some of the world's leading polymer producers who make materials that go into a variety of different products. What I love about working for French Oil is that here at French, we put a lot of emphasis on the customer. I get to travel the world, and so our advantage to the customers is that we get to customize the machines to their specifications. I chose a career in manufacturing because I like to see where a product originates from. In my job in particular, as a sales engineer, I get to see a product start from an idea and conception and move through product development and manufacturing and then end-use application.
French Oil is one of the bigger companies in the city, so I see the direct impact that we have. For example, we have kids coming through the facility a lot trying to generate interest in STEM. Piqua's greatest asset, I would say, is the size. There's a lot of growth and development.
I think the quality of life in Southwest Ohio is fantastic. The people are very friendly.
It's a very lively and great place to be in. There's always a lot of festivals and things going on spring through the fall, and so those are always fun. And then there's plenty of hiking and outdoor activities to suit your need.